Hey everyone, this is Sarah from Phoenix Home Remodeling, and you're listening to the Home Remodel Podcast, the show that helps homeowners avoid the common contractor nightmares and get their dream home they have always wanted. We are experts in home remodeling and remodel design. If you are considering a remodel or want to learn more, just Google Phoenix Home Remodeling and you'll see we provide vital tips to avoid the common contractor nightmares. We have another interesting podcast for you today with useful information. Let's jump right in. Tub into shower conversion for maximum space and style. Looking to transform your bathroom into a modern, stylish space while also maximizing your available shower space? If so, then a tub to shower conversion may be your solution. This type of shower remodel services can completely transform the appearance of your shower while also adding space. It's a lower cost, low maintenance option. In this podcast, we'll look at how you may use tub to shower conversion to maximize your shower space, regardless of size or layout. Everything from choosing materials and fixtures to installation tips and tactics, as well as creative ideas for making even the smallest bathrooms feel warm and inviting, will be covered. Now let's start and see how you can use this flexible project to improve your showering experience. Is it worth it to convert tub to a shower? In the modern home, converting a bathtub to a shower is becoming increasingly popular. Is it, however, worth it? After all, not only is this a large renovation project that will take time and money, but it will also include making permanent modifications to your current shower layout. Investing in a tub shower conversion may be well worth the effort for many homeowners, and here's why. Space savings is the biggest advantage of upgrading from an old-fashioned bathtub to a more modern shower system. Showers are far easier on square footage and give greater flexibility when designing around them. In contrast, traditional baths take up a lot of space and can make tiny bathrooms feel crowded. Furthermore, replacing the tub with sleek new fixtures and finishes will offer aesthetic appeal like no other change can if you want to optimize style points while creating an open, airy ambience in your shower area. Furthermore, if you want to add convenience or safety features to your shower, such as built-in benches or grab bars, a shower redesign allows you to include them in your design effortlessly. When all of these benefits are considered together, no doubt converting a worn tub into an improved showering experience can have big payoffs for any homeowner who leaps, so why wait? Space saving. A shower conversion is a way to go when saving space. A standard bathtub takes up a lot of space and can make a small shower room seem tight. However, with a tub to shower conversion, you can regain that lost square footage and create more open floor space. Depending on your current setup, this could imply installing larger wall tiles, going with an all-in-one shower enclosure, or replacing the tub with a tiny walk-in unit. Whatever replacement product you choose, one thing is certain: many solutions are available for maximizing space savings in your bathroom. The options range from built-in corner showers to standalone and custom bathtub replacements. Furthermore, if you want to add luxury features like bench sitting or grab bars, they may be accommodated into the design without any extra space. By choosing an enhanced showering experience over an older tub model, you will gain style points and more convenience while freeing up valuable bathroom space. So, why delay? Get started today and begin reaping the benefits of a larger new shower. Improved functionality. Say goodbye to substandard showering experiences and hello to increased functionality. With a tub to shower conversion, you'll have more convenience and comfort. There are multiple choices to enhance your new shower design, ranging from additional storage space for soap and shampoo bottles to built-in shelves and caddies. If safety is also a concern, modern showers can provide peace of mind without losing aesthetics, with low entry thresholds, slip-resistant surfaces, grab bars, and integrated chairs. By selecting an all-in-one model or replacing the complete unit with a walk-in alternative, you may discover that extra storage options are included in the package, reducing clutter in other areas of your space. So, why continue to put up with an outdated bathing experience? Make the switch today and enjoy how delightful a hot shower feels. Tip: When planning your tub-to-shower conversion project, invest in high-quality fixtures that will last and work well aesthetically and functionally. Enhanced style and design. Now that you've learned about the functional advantages of a tub-to-shower conversion, it's time to evaluate what this renovation might do for your shower's style and design. When designing your new shower space, consider all facets of modern interior design, from premium fixtures and finishes to minimalist decor ideas. With so many alternatives available, there is no shortage of innovative ideas to transform the look and feel of your shower with a single easy modification. Are you looking for something sleek and eye-catching? A glass panel or wall tile combination could offer an expansive mood while providing plenty of solitude. Or maybe you prefer a more traditional approach. Try adding timeless features like marble flooring, ornate details like mosaic tiles, or vintage lighting fixtures. Whichever style you choose, whether conventional or contemporary, the choices for constructing a magnificent shower hideaway are limitless. A tub-to-shower conversion can increase your home's value. Aside from the aesthetic and design benefits, a tub-to-shower conversion can increase the home's value. Shower renovations are a fantastic approach to attracting potential buyers in today's real estate market. Even if you don't intend to sell anytime soon, investing in such a renovation may be profitable in the long run since it may result in better resale values when the time comes. A shower conversion is one of the most affordable methods to remodel your room while enhancing the overall value of your house. This type of project provides extra storage possibilities and improved practicality and adds a modern touch that will undoubtedly wow any guests or visitors who walk through your door. Moreover, with so many customization options, from luxurious materials like marble and glass to minimalist designs focusing on clean lines, there's bound to be something suitable for everyone's individual vision. How much is the cost of tub-to-shower conversion? A tub-to-shower conversion is no exception to the rule that you get what you pay for. The project's cost will be determined by various criteria, including how much demolition is required, which fixtures are installed, and whether installation or other labor charges must be considered. In layman's words, plan to spend more money if you want your dream shower. When calculating the total cost, there are three major categories: supplies, labor, and design items. Tiles, countertops, and plumbing fittings and accessories are examples of materials and design items. Labor often includes fees for removing the old bathtub and installing the new shower. Overall, depending on the scope of their shower remodel, most homeowners should budget between $8,000 and $14,000. So if you've been considering a significant home makeover but have hesitated because of financial concerns, now might be the time. When all of these factors come together, a tub shower conversion could deliver a good return on investment both visually and financially. Is it easy to convert bathtub to shower? Many homeowners find converting their bathtub to a shower to be an intimidating task. It is more difficult than homeowners realize. Even the demolition can be done incorrectly and cost the homeowner more money and time when done wrong. There is also plumbing adjustments from a licensed plumber. Even though there is a lot of work, this redesign will provide you with the lavish shower room you've always desired without breaking the budget. If you want to do the conversion yourself and save money, there are a few things you should think about before starting. First, ensure that you have all of the necessary tools for the project, such as hammers, saws, and any other power tools. Then, determine how much tile or stone will be needed for your new shower installation. Moreover, look for plumbers specializing in tub conversions to manage any challenging plumbing difficulties that may emerge during construction. Finally, before beginning, carefully study local building rules and permits to ensure everything satisfies safety standards. Converting your bathtub into a gorgeous shower space is achievable if you have knowledge and time set aside for planning ahead of time. Removing the tub. It's always better to be safe than sorry, and this is especially true when it comes to converting your bathtub into a shower. The present tub must be removed before any new fixtures can be installed. This is called tub removal or bathtub demolition and should not be treated lightly. Removing an old bathtub requires more than just loosening a few screws. Rather, several procedures are required to remove it from your shower room successfully. The most important thing is to proceed with caution when removing the tub, as sharp edges may remain, and to ensure the disposal of dangerous materials, such as asbestos insulation, if present. Moreover, before attempting to carry the tub out of your home, ensure that all plumbing lines attached to it have been properly removed. Creating a larger shower area. After you've removed the old bathtub, you can start thinking about how to make a larger shower. If your bathroom is small and lacks the capacity for a large new shower, there are still ways to maximize the existing space and make it more efficient. Consider adding extra tile or glass doors that extend up to the ceiling for added privacy when converting a tub into a shower. This will also assist in distinguishing the showering space from the rest of the bathroom. Installing corner shelves or seats also provide additional storage while keeping debris out of sight. By following these simple steps during the conversion process, you'll be able to enjoy a practical and elegant new shower without sacrificing any valuable bathroom square footage. With proper planning and execution, this project should go smoothly and quickly return you to your much-needed space. Installing different shower systems. After you've created a larger shower, consider the best way to install different shower systems. Many installation options are available, depending on the materials you choose and how much money you want to spend. Many options are available to help create a fashionable yet functional setting, ranging from traditional showers with basic tile or glass walls to more modern systems with custom-made fixtures. When deciding which sort of system will work best for your bathroom conversion project, consider the size and shape of the area. Also, investigate other materials such as ceramic tiles, natural stone slabs, or acrylic panels that can protect against moisture buildup. By carefully considering these variables when purchasing a new shower system, you can ensure that your tub-to-shower transition is beautiful and efficient in space consumption. Utilizing vertical space with shelves and shower niches. Using vertical space is essential for individuals trying to maximize the space in their new shower. Using shelves and nooks in the design is one excellent approach. Shelves are a useful alternative for keeping shampoo, conditioner, soap, and other accessories that are needed every day. Shower niches offer an even higher level of organization because they may hold larger goods, such as body wash or shampoos with a tall bottle and pump. Enhancing bathroom style. After you've thought about and planned how to utilize your space best, it's time to focus on improving your shower style. A modern design can provide a sense of elegance to shower conversion, making it even more enjoyable. There are different methods to add a touch of refinement to any remodeling project, ranging from wall tile patterns to unusual fixtures and statement pieces. Designing a fashionable bathroom does not have to be complicated. Simply consider what type of aesthetic will fit your current layout before picking materials or features. Tiles and other materials. After deciding on your bathroom plan and color scheme, it's time to consider tile options. This material can truly transform an outdated tub into a stunning shower conversion. While choosing materials for this shower project, ensure they are waterproof and durable, as these two features are critical for long-term success. It's worth mentioning that certain tiling techniques, such as mosaics or pattern designs, may need more effort during installation but can yield spectacular results. Before settling on the best solution for your room, consider all the options, from dazzling marble walls to rustic wood floors. Whatever style you choose, one thing is certain: well-placed shower materials will assure comfortable use while adding value to your property. Conclusion. Changing a bathtub to a shower is an excellent investment. Not only can it improve the utility and style of your home, but it can also increase the value of your home. Installing different shower systems and utilizing vertical space with shelves and niches can make a significant difference in the appearance of your bathroom. Tiles are one of the best materials for converting a tub into a shower since they are beautiful and long-lasting. Furthermore, there are so many styles to choose from that you can simply create the right look for your bathroom. Tile is a terrific choice for any color scheme, whether dramatic or subtle. Overall, changing your tub into a shower is a great method to save space while maintaining style. It will give you more space to walk around and will allow you to unwind after a hard day. When done correctly, it may even increase the value of your home. So, whatever type of renovation project you have in mind, this is something to consider. If you're looking for a reputable, experienced contractor to handle your tub-to-shower conversion, look no further than Phoenix Home Remodeling. Our team of professionals can guide you through the process and ensure you get the best possible results. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and start transforming your shower area. All right, that's everything we have for today. Thanks for listening. If you are interested in remodeling, seeing before and afters, or fun design stuff, check out Phoenix Home Remodeling's website. The web address is phxhomeremodeling.com. Again, that is phxhomeremodeling.com. Or you can just type Phoenix Home Remodeling into the search engine. Thanks again for listening to the Phoenix Home Remodeling Podcast. Have a great day.